Imagine this. A glowing blue sphere floats silently in the vast darkness of space. Thousands of light years away, telescopes lock onto it. A perfect radio bubble with no source, no logic, and no explanation. Scientists name it Teleios. At the same time, across Earth, new leads emerge in a decades-old disappearance. Amy Bradley, the woman who vanished from a Caribbean cruise in 1998. 27 years later, her name is back in headlines. And yet, these aren't the only enigmas haunting 2025. From mysterious hums echoing in the deserts of New Mexico to the invisible forces shaping the cosmos itself, humanity stands surrounded by puzzles we still can't solve. So tonight, we dive deep into the top 5 unsolved mysteries of 2025, where science meets the supernatural and truth hides behind the unknown. Mystery 1. Teleios, the cosmic ghost bubble. In early 2025, astronomers using the Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder, or SCAP, stumbled upon something extraordinary. A massive, perfectly round radio bubble in space. They called it Teleios, catalogued as G305.4.2.2. At first glance, it looked like a typical supernova remnant, the remains of an exploded star. But scientists quickly noticed something strange. Teleios had no visible traces in X-ray, optical, or infrared data. Nothing. Only a ghostly radio signal, as if it existed in one frequency of the universe and nowhere else. Even more puzzling, it was nearly flawless in symmetry. More perfect than any natural explosion ever recorded. Could it be a relic of an ancient cosmic event? Or something artificial? Some researchers even suggested it might be a technological megastructure or the aftershock of a powerful cosmic energy burst unknown to science. For now, all we know is this. Teleios shouldn't exist. But it does. And it's quietly rewriting our understanding of what might be hiding in the dark between galaxies. Mystery 2. The disappearance of Amy Bradley, a cruise gone cold. March 24, 1998. The Royal Caribbean cruise ship Rhapsody of the Seas sails near Curaçao. Among its passengers, 23-year-old Amy Lynn Bradley, a vibrant young woman on vacation with her family. But by sunrise, Amy is gone. Her shoes, her cigarettes, her room, all untouched. Security searches the ship. Nothing. It's as if she vanished into thin air. In the years that followed, Amy's disappearance became one of the most baffling cases in maritime history. Photos surfaced of a woman resembling her on adult websites. A U.S. Navy sailor claimed he saw her in a Caribbean brothel. Others said she had been kidnapped and sold into human trafficking. Then, in 2025, Netflix released Amy Bradley is Missing. Within weeks, thousands of new leads poured in. FBI tip lines buzzed again. 3 of those leads, according to investigators, were deemed very significant. Still, despite renewed attention and global coverage, the truth remains hidden beneath the waves. Did Amy fall? Was she taken? Or did she find a way to disappear on purpose? Her case reminds us that even in a world of satellites, cell phones, and data, some disappearances leave no digital trace. Mystery 3. The Fermi Paradox. Where is everybody? Look up at the night sky. Each star you see could host planets, and statistically, billions of them could sustain life. So here's the haunting question physicists have asked for decades. If the universe is full of life, where is everyone? This is the Fermi Paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi. And as of 2025, it's still one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in cosmic science. NASA's Kepler and TESS missions have confirmed over 5,000 exoplanets, some eerily similar to Earth. Yet, despite decades of scanning with radio telescopes, not a single confirmed extraterrestrial signal has been detected. There's only one, the legendary WOW signal, detected on August 15, 1977, by astronomer Jerry Emin. It lasted just 72 seconds. The signal was so precise, so structured, that Emin circled it in red ink and wrote a single word in the margin, "Wow!" Since then, we've never heard anything like it again. Some scientists now theorize that civilizations may self-destruct before mastering interstellar communication. Others suggest the universe may be teeming with life that's deliberately avoiding us. In 2025, with AI-driven telescopes scanning deeper into the cosmos, the question grows louder. Are we truly alone, or just not interesting enough to be noticed? Mystery 4. Dark matter, dark energy, and the puzzle of consciousness. Our universe is vast, and yet what we can actually see, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up less than 5% of all that exists. The rest? A shadow realm made up of dark matter and dark energy, invisible forces that shape the cosmos but remain utterly unexplained. Scientists estimate that dark matter holds galaxies together through gravity, while dark energy pushes them apart, accelerating the universe's expansion. But despite decades of experiments, from CERN to deep space observatories, no one has detected a single dark matter particle directly. It's as if the universe is hiding its blueprints. And then there's the mystery of consciousness, the most intimate enigma of all. How does a lump of gray matter inside our skulls generate thought, love, art, and fear? Neuroscientists can map brain activity, but they still can't explain why experience feels like anything at all. In 2025, as AI grows more advanced, mimicking creativity, emotion, and logic, the question becomes urgent. Is consciousness just a byproduct of complexity? Or something far deeper, something fundamental to the fabric of reality? Mystery 5. The Taos hum and Earth's strange phenomena. Now we return to Earth, to a small, quiet desert town in Taos, New Mexico. For decades, residents have reported a strange low-frequency humming sound, a persistent vibration you can feel more than hear. It's been recorded, analyzed, and investigated by scientists, engineers, and even the military. Yet no one can find its source. Some believe it's caused by subterranean movement. Others say it's an acoustic illusion. But for the few who hear it constantly, it's maddening, sleepless nights, headaches, even panic attacks. The Taos hum isn't alone. Across the world, the planet hums with unexplained sounds and phenomena. The boiling river in Peru, which stays hot enough to cook food even hundreds of miles from any volcano. The Devil's Kettle Falls in Minnesota, where half the river disappears into a hole, and no one knows where it goes. The glowing Hessdalen lights in Norway, dancing in the sky like living orbs of plasma. Each of these mysteries defies simple explanation, blending science and myth into one haunting reality. Our planet is still full of secrets. From the emptiness of space to the depths of the human mind, the 2025 mysteries remind us of one truth: that knowledge doesn't end with discovery. It begins there. The universe isn't a finished book. It's an ongoing story. Every answer reveals another question. Every solved case opens another door. So the next time you gaze into the stars, or hear a sound you can't explain, remember the world around us and within us still hides more than it reveals. And perhaps that's what keeps humanity searching. Because the greatest mystery of all is why we need to know.